Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to block a customer on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. In order to block someone from Shopify, we will get help from our app. So open apps and open App Store and search here fraud filter, and you will find this app here, fraud filter, and this app is from Shopify. So open this app and click on add app. Install this app. So now we need to create a role. So for that, click on add a new filter and give here the filter name, and you can select action, cancel order, or warning. Field, you can select your email name. Operation, select your operation and give here the value, and then click on save. And using this app, you can easily block someone on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.